Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Hyundai Sonata. And pretty much any generation Hyundai Sonata, but we'll be working here on a generation 2009 to 2015. If your alternator is not charging your battery guys, we will explain what you need to check and which fuse you need to check, because let's say you put a new alternator because, okay, maybe the alternator was bad, you replaced it with a new one and it's still not charging. It's very likely that the old alternator blew a fuse, and we're going to explain which one guys. Also, in addition, we'll have a special video that explains how to test alternators guys. Now, before we start, let me tell you, if you need to buy any parts, tools, alternator fuses guys, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, what's the plan about this Hyundai Sonata? We'll be taking it completely apart on the channel you're watching right now, Auto Repair guys. We'll be taking the engine apart, we'll show you how to fix anything. Practically we'll have over 300 free mechanical videos. But if you want to find electrical videos, diagnostics, components, electrical components, all that will be on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out, we're planning on making at least 200 more videos guys. So, with that being said, let's explain what we have here. This is your battery. Let me explain where the alternator is quickly guys. Okay, right here. And if you need to replace it, we'll have the video coming very soon on the channel. So, if you look at that battery guys right here, if you open that cable, okay, on this side, you have one mega fuse, and this fuse in some cases it's 150, 180, 200 amps. It could be super powerful fuse guys, depending on how big your alternator is. This car has a 150 amp alternator, that's how big the fuse is as well. And always check that fuse. Sometimes you can tell it's burned by looking through the window, but we will always recommend to test it with a voltmeter. How you do that? Pretty simple. Set it to, okay, to connection. So if you touch the two LEDs together, it should go to 0 and you'll hear a beep. Now, if that fuse is good, it should approach 0. You're going to test from this point here to this point over there. And check it out now. What's going to happen? Okay, that's a good fuse. Also, you can switch it to ohm reading. Let's say you go to 2k ohms. If it's a good fuse, you should approach 0 ohm resistance. If it's a bad fuse, it will be just like an open connection and there will be, okay, no resistance, like it will be just 1, okay, the way it is right now. So always check that fuse. If you guys need to replace it, we have the complete guide how to do that on our second channel, as I said, Electrical Car Repair Live. That's where all the electrical videos and components will be posted. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.